Exploring the skies has never been more accessible thanks to today's advanced drones. The best drone combines ease of use with high-quality imaging for unforgettable experiences. From casual flights to creative filming, these models deliver reliability and fun without complexity. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K stands out as an excellent entry point into aerial photography for enthusiasts who want professional results without the hassle of regulations. Weighing under 249 grams, it skips the need for FAA registration or remote ID in recreational scenarios, making it ideal for spontaneous outings in various locations. Its 4K ultra-high-definition camera, paired with a smooth 3-axis gimbal, produces cinematic footage that captures sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with impressive clarity and stability. Pilots appreciate how it handles level 5 winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, thanks to powerful brushless motors that also support takeoffs at altitudes reaching 4,000 meters. The transmission system allows for clear HD video feeds from as far as 10 kilometers away with strong anti-interference capabilities. Battery life options extend up to 93 minutes total with multiple battery packs, eliminating frequent interruptions during extended creative sessions. Beginners love the intuitive controls, including one-tap takeoff and landing, automatic return to home via GPS, and stable hovering that builds confidence quickly, while in-app resources help master skills. The build quality feels premium, with durable materials that withstand regular use. For hobbyists seeking versatile applications like landscape documentation or event captures, this drone offers tremendous value by balancing performance and portability.
Number 2. K600GPS Brushless. The Karawi Cirque K600GPS Brushless brings a practical blend of convenience and capability for pilots who value straightforward operation and real-time viewing. Equipped with a 1080p camera that adjusts up to 90 degrees, it delivers solid aerial perspectives suitable for both adults and families exploring outdoor adventures. The built-in 4.5-inch screen on the controller lets you monitor flights directly without relying on a smartphone, though app connectivity remains an option for added flexibility. Intelligent GPS functions shine here, with automatic return home when signals weaken or power drops, alongside follow me mode and waypoint planning that free up your hands for creative shots. Under 249 grams with brushless motors spinning at high efficiency, this model avoids registration requirements while offering better wind resistance and quieter performance than many similar options. Beginners find the one-key takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode incredibly approachable, enhanced by 3 speed settings and fun 3D flips for playful sessions. Battery charging via Type-C is quick, and the modular design supports extended play, with storage expandable to 32 GB.
For saving memorable clips, build quality holds up well for regular use, providing stability that feels reassuring during flights. It serves perfectly as a gift or entry-level hobby tool for capturing family outings, real estate views, or casual FPV exploration.
Number 3. Oddire Drone. The Oddire Drone impresses with thoughtful features that prioritize safety and extended sessions for users eager to capture detailed aerial content without constant worry. Advanced GPS technology handles automatic returns during low battery or lost connections, while follow mode, route planning, and fly-around options simplify complex maneuvers, even for newcomers. Its adjustable 4K UHD camera with a wide 110-degree lens and 90-degree tilt control records sharp 4096 by 3072 photos and smooth 2048 by 1088 videos, storing them directly to SD cards or devices for immediate review. Dual 7.7-volt 1800 mAh batteries combine for up to 48 minutes of flight time, outperforming many lower voltage alternatives with a handy indicator for better planning. The 5G Wi-Fi transmission paired with a signal repeater maintains stable feeds up to 500 meters, enabling distant scenic captures with minimal lag. At just 249 grams and featuring brushless motors with level 5 wind resistance,
It offers registration-free flying and portable convenience for travel or on-site work. Construction feels robust enough for frequent outings, supporting stable performance in outdoor settings. Ideal users range from photography hobbyists documenting nature to beginners practicing skills through intelligent modes.
Number 4. GPS drone with EIS 4K camera. This GPS drone with EIS 4K camera delivers an immersive flying package centered around its 4.5-inch built-in HD display remote that streams live FPV footage straight to the controller, paired with a free 32GB SD card for instant storage. The 90-degree adjustable 4K UHD camera produces professional-grade photos and videos with smooth tilt action, perfect for creators seeking fresh perspectives on landscapes or dynamic scenes. Intelligent GPS capabilities include auto-return home, follow me, circle fly, and more, supporting flights up to 3,280 feet outdoors while offering an indoor mode for safer practice. 3 high-capacity batteries provide a generous total of
90 minutes of flight time, powered by efficient, low-noise brushless motors that maintain excellent stability throughout. The design suits both novices and experienced users who appreciate worry-free controls and extended sessions without frequent charging. Build quality emphasizes durability for outdoor adventures, with the large screen enhancing real-time monitoring and reducing setup steps. Applications shine in areas like professional photography, travel vlogging, or family entertainment, where long battery life allows uninterrupted creativity. Strengths lie in the convenient controller display and safety-focused GPS features, though the non-touch screen may feel basic to some tech-savvy pilots. Number 5. DJI Neo 2 Motion. The DJI Neo 2 Motion excels as a compact, feature-packed option for pilots who prioritize portability and intuitive interaction in their aerial experiences. At only 151 grams, with C0 certification and full propeller guards, it travels easily while emphasizing safety during flights and transport. Palm takeoff and landing combined with gesture controls allow hands-free operation that feels natural and engaging right from the start. Active Track keeps subjects centered reliably, and integration with Apple Watch adds convenient live views, status checks, or voice adjustments for seamless tracking. Selfie shot mode captures quick, memorable moments with minimal effort, while omnidirectional obstacle sensing supports confident flying in varied environments. The 4K imaging delivers crisp, lifelike photos and videos that highlight details beautifully across different settings. Included accessories like the RC Motion 3, Goggles M3, digital transceiver, 3 batteries, charging hub, and guards create a complete FPV-ready setup for immersive adventures. Build quality reflects premium standards with lightweight yet sturdy construction suited for daily use. Ideal for content creators, travelers, or tech enthusiasts seeking dynamic shots without complex setups. Practical uses range from personal vlogs and event coverage to creative experiments with versatile flight modes. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.